Remember that time you woke up feeling like you were carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders? That was me a few months ago. I was constantly battling fatigue, and no matter how much sleep I got, I never felt truly rested. I was sluggish, my stomach felt off, and I just couldn't shake this feeling of being weighed down. Sound familiar? It was like my body was trying to tell me something, but I wasn't listening. It was then I realized I needed to hit the reset button. I needed to take control of my health and well-being. I wasn't talking about a juice cleanse or anything drastic. Those quick fixes never seemed to work for me, and I wanted something more sustainable. I wanted something sustainable, something that felt good from the inside out. I wanted to feel refreshed and rejuvenated every day, not just for a few days. That's when I started exploring natural ways to detox my body, and let me tell you, it's been a game changer. I dove into research, reading books, articles, and watching videos on natural detox methods. We live in a world full of toxins, from the air we breathe to the food we eat. Our environment is filled with pollutants, and our diets often include processed foods that aren't doing us any favors. It's no wonder our bodies sometimes cry out for a little extra help. The constant exposure to these toxins can leave us feeling overwhelmed and in need of a reset. That's where natural detox comes in. It's about giving your body the support it needs to flush out those toxins and feel its best. Intrigued? I started incorporating simple changes into my daily routine, like drinking water with lemon and using natural remedies. Let's dive into some simple everyday tips that can make a world of difference, from eating whole, unprocessed foods to practicing mindfulness through yoga and meditation. These small changes can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. So, are you ready to start your own detox journey? Think of your body as a finely tuned machine. Just like any machine, it needs regular maintenance to function at its best. Detoxing is like giving your body a much-needed tune-up. It's about supporting your natural detoxification systems, the liver, kidneys, digestive system, and skin, so they can do their job of filtering out toxins more effectively. When these systems are running smoothly, you'll feel the difference. Imagine waking up with more energy, having clearer skin and feeling lighter and more vibrant. These are just a few of the many benefits of incorporating detoxifying practices into your daily routine. Ready to learn how to make it happen? Let's get started. You know how important water is for survival, but did you know it's also a key player in detoxification? Water is not just a thirst quencher, it's a vital component in maintaining your overall health and well-being. Think of water as your body's internal cleansing agent. It works tirelessly to keep your system clean and free from harmful substances. It helps flush out toxins, transports nutrients, and keeps everything running smoothly. Without adequate water, your body struggles to perform these essential functions. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining energy levels, supporting digestion, and even improving your skin's appearance. A good rule of thumb is to drink half your body weight in ounces of water daily. For example, if you weigh 150 pounds, aim for 75 ounces of water each day. Jazz up your water with slices of lemon, cucumber, or a few fresh mint leaves for a refreshing twist. These additions not only enhance the flavor, but also provide additional health benefits. Feeling adventurous? Try adding a tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar to your morning water routine. This simple addition can boost your metabolism and aid in digestion. It's a natural detoxifier that can help kickstart your day. Apple cider vinegar has been praised for its numerous health benefits, including balancing pH levels and supporting weight loss. Stay tuned for more simple yet powerful detox tips. Remember, small changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your health and vitality. Remember those colorful fruits and vegetables your parents always told you to eat? They're not just good for you. They're detox superstars packed with antioxidants, vitamins and fiber. Fruits and veggies help support your body's natural cleansing processes. Aim to fill your plate with a rainbow of colors. Think leafy greens, vibrant berries, and crunchy cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower. And don't forget about the power of herbs. Sipping on herbal teas like dandelion root tea, ginger tea, or milk thistle tea can give your liver an extra boost in its detoxification efforts. Incorporate these natural detoxifiers into your daily routine and watch your body thrive. In this section, we delve into the powerful combination of physical activity and rest, and how they work together to enhance your overall well-being. Exercise isn't just about building muscles and burning calories. It's a fantastic way to support your body's natural detoxification pathways. Engaging in regular physical activity helps to stimulate various bodily functions that are crucial for maintaining health. When you move your body, you're helping to improve circulation, boost lymphatic drainage, and even sweat out toxins. This process not only aids in detoxification, but also enhances your immune system, making you more resilient to illnesses. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's brisk walking, dancing, swimming, or hitting the gym, and aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Consistency is key, and finding joy in your chosen activity will make it easier to stick with it. But remember, detoxing isn't just about pushing yourself to the limit. It's equally important to allow your body the time it needs to recover and rejuvenate. Adequate rest is equally important. Resting allows your muscles to repair, your mind to reset, and your body to eliminate waste products that accumulate during the day. When you sleep, your body goes into repair and rejuvenation mode, allowing it to detoxify and recharge more effectively. This is when your brain clears out toxins, your cells repair themselves, and your energy stores are replenished. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized. Quality sleep means uninterrupted, deep sleep that allows you to cycle through all the necessary stages of sleep for optimal health. By balancing movement and rest, you create a harmonious environment for your body to thrive. Your body is incredibly intelligent and knows what it needs to thrive. Learning to listen to your body's signals is key to a successful detox journey. Pay attention to how certain foods make you feel. Do you feel energized after a salad or sluggish after a greasy meal? Notice how your body responds to different types of exercise. Do you feel invigorated after a run or relaxed after a yoga session? There's no one-size-fits-all approach to detoxing. What works for one person may not work for another. Experiment with these tips, listen to your body's feedback, and adjust your routine accordingly. Remember, detoxing is a journey, not a destination. We've covered some powerful yet simple ways to naturally detox your body, from staying hydrated and embracing nature's bounty to incorporating movement and prioritizing rest. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite ways to detox and support your body's natural cleansing processes? Do you have a go-to detox drink, a favorite workout routine, or any other tips you'd like to share with the community? Leave a comment below and let's inspire each other on our wellness journeys. Remember, detoxing doesn't have to be overwhelming. It's not about striving for perfection or depriving yourself. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up to big results over time. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 new tips into your daily routine. Once they become habits, add a few more. Celebrate your progress along the way, and remember that every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step in the right direction. You've got this. Join our vibrant community of wellness enthusiasts by subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more to support you on your journey to optimal well-being. Let's connect and inspire each other to live our healthiest, most vibrant lives. Taking charge of your health is one of the most empowering things you can do for yourself. By incorporating these simple detox tips into your daily routine, you're giving your body the gift of enhanced well-being. Remember, you are worthy of feeling your best. Embrace these tips, listen to your body, and watch as you unlock your full health potential. You're amazing. Thank you for joining me on this journey to natural detoxification. Remember, small steps can lead to big changes. Here's to feeling our best from the inside out. Stay tuned for more health and wellness tips coming soon.